Hi Emily. It is nice to see you today.
Hi Jack. It is nice to see you too.
You look quiet today. Is everything okay?
Not really. I feel unhappy with myself.
Why do you feel unhappy?
Because I think I waste my time every day.
Many people feel the same way. What do you think wastes your time?
My phone. I use my phone too much.
I understand. Phones can be very addictive.
I wake up in the morning, and the first thing I do is check my phone.
What do you check?
Messages, videos, and social media apps.
How long do you use your phone in the morning?
Sometimes 1 hour, sometimes more.
That is a lot of time. Do you feel good after that?
No. I feel lazy and slow.
That happens to me too. When I use my phone too much.
After using my phone, I feel guilty.
Why do you feel guilty?
Because I have many goals. I want to learn English. I want to improve my life.
But instead, you spend time on your phone.
Yes. I feel sad about that.
Do not be too hard on yourself. Change takes time.
I hope so.
Emily, I want to tell you something.
What is it?
I was the same before. I wasted many years of my life.
Really?
Yes. I watched videos all day. I did nothing useful.
How did you change?
One day, I asked myself a question.
What question?
Where will I be in 5 years? If I continue like this?
That is a deep question.
I did not change everything in one day.
So what did you do?
I started small. Very small.
Like what?
I reduced my phone time. By 30 minutes.
Only 30 minutes?
Yes. That was enough to start.
And what did you do in that time?
I read simple English. I listened to podcasts.
That sounds easy.
Easy steps are powerful.
Jack, I feel hopeful now.
That makes me happy.
I will start small too.
That is the best way.
I will use my phone less. And focus more on learning.
Remember, time is very valuable.
Yes. I do not want to waste it anymore.
You can change your life. One day at a time.
Thank you, Jack. This conversation helped me a lot.
You are welcome, Emily. Believe in yourself. Thank you for listening. This was a long English conversation for beginners. Keep listening and keep improving. Please like and subscribe.